Alright, so we're going to open the picture in Photoshop. Control plus or minus is zooming in and out. You're going to go up to the left hand corner, and it's going to be a quick selection tool. I'll mouse over it. And what it does is automatically tries to outline what it thinks you want outlined. So for this example, I'm doing the truck. You just click and keep on clicking where you want to add to the selection. I'm doing this real quick. And then you're going to right click when you're done selecting everything. You're going to select inverse when you right click, and that's going to select everything but the truck and the shadow. Let's go up, select inverse, and then you're going to go up to the top, and then you're going to select blur gallery. I clicked blur a few times here. I tried to edit it out, but you're going to click blur gallery, and then field blur, and it's going to pop up like 15 automatically, which is way too much, like you'll see here. It's way too blurry. So then you back it down a couple notches to make it look a little more realistic. And then you click OK in the middle top of the screen, basically. You play with it till you like it. Click OK. And that's it. File, save, and you're done. Unclick from it too.